Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the HSL in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to show you in this one, and now on the bottom of the screen you have to click on the edit option, which is the first one. Now scroll to the right and you should see the adjust option. Click on it, and now scroll to the right as well and you should see the HSL option, and at the top here you can select the color, and after that you can decrease or increase the hue, the saturation and luminance. And if you change your mind, you just click on the reset and it will undo all the adjustment made to your clip. Click on the confirm and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.